Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for his question. In terms of the MOU between the Ministry of Health and YWAM, which is Youth with a Mission, Ship Atonio Limited, was signing of the two parties and endorsed by Cabinet. It was on 7th of August and Friday, 4th of August, consecutively. In terms of the MOU itself, the MOU allows for the partnership between YWAM and the Ministry of Health to assist the Ministry in terms of service delivery and in reaching universal health coverage to our hard-to-reach populations within Fiji, mostly in the rural and maritime areas. The MOU is a 10 years MOU, in which the agreement allows for volunteers under the YWAM to come over to Fiji and work in the space of primary health care settings within our maritime areas and maritime and rural areas which are accessible through boat. They come in their ship and assist the ministry in those areas. As it is, in terms of the work that they are doing, not only in terms of primary health care, in terms of awareness, screening, dental, which I'm sure the Honourable Member is well aware of. And as I said, this partnership is for 10 years. And what we've noticed that even though they're coming in on a yearly basis, this partnership moving forward, we will have to come up with ideas on how to streamline some of the processes that are involved in registration, in issues such as procurement and customs as well. So we are grateful for the ongoing partnership. I think started from the previous government up until now, and the ministry is ensuring that we will continue with this because they are assisting us in a very critical space on primary health care, especially in the maritime and island areas. So in a nutshell, it's a 10-year MOU, and be willing to answer any more questions based on particular things. No.
Yes.
Supplementary question, Mr. Speaker, sir. Last month, the ship was in the Yasawa group, and they saw over 2,400 patients who needed dental, general health checkup, nutrition, health education, and optometrist too was on the boat. And they gave out reading glasses. Because it's a boat, it only served the maritime island. Over the last 3 years, they've seen over 11,000 Fijians in the maritime zone. The supplementary question to the Honourable Minister, would the Minister consider the waiver of the registration, temporary registration license that the doctors, the nurses, the dentists that are on this boat need to pay with the Fiji Medical and Dental Council, since they are providing a free service benefiting our people? Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I thank Honourable Raghunatha for his supplementary question. Yes, that is something we will consider, seeing that it is a 10-year agreement and agreement of understanding. And also, most of the visiting teams are the same ones that are coming in and out on the same year. So, yes, we will take that into consideration and see how best we can assist them as they are assisting us.